亚洲头一届举办的极限铁人赛事呢，是伫个台南来进行，也毋过即马煞拄着风台来扰乱，所以今仔日这脚踏车赛程嘛只好延后，选手是暂时休困。
专业脚踏车一台一台摆好势，放伫香客大楼大厅内底。头一摆伫亚洲举办的极限铁人大赛，就伫台南办。11月初9伫正统鹿里门圣母庙起过，不哩个煞拄着风台来扰乱，地主10支是脚踏车的赛程，只好停一天，选手只好伫房间内休困。
时间上往后挪一天，住宿跟吃或者这个志工那个都要延长。 但是没有关系，只要他们高兴就好。我们一定要按照那个政府的规定。
这摆参赛极限铁人活动为期14天，有10外国家的选手拢来遮，因讲行过真侪国家参加比赛，头一摆拄着风台卡的情形。其实铁人运动会拄着天气变化的问题，加减嘛有。不过因为风台卡赛程延后，对真侪选手来讲，真的是罕得有的经验。
It is what it is. I mean, the weather, you can't do much about it. It's kind of sad that we have to stop. But it's okay. I feel nice that they're trying to protect us.
Have any plan?
Yeah, I gotta work. Work. I need to work and just recover and just pretty much relax until tomorrow.
I know, it's nice. I mean, it's getting windier though. It's much more windy. I've been watching since 4 a.m. because I was awake at 4 a.m. And it rained a little bit, about 5, and now they're getting more wind. So maybe something exciting will happen.
举办这个活动的台湾铁人阿伯蔡平仪，嘛借有这个机会，带外国选手实现咱本土的马祖信仰。毕竟辛苦几冬筹办的活动，蔡教练上大希望就是甲马祖介绍给全世界，嘛互咱台湾人更加熟悉这个极限铁人的运动。记者苏台南采访报道。